Can you file an ERISA disability claim after you've been terminated and win? Maybe. Once you've been terminated, your short and your long-term disability coverage ends. So the question is going to be, at the time of the termination, did you meet the test of disability, despite the fact that you were working? Now, the answer is going to depend on the definition of disability in the policy or the plan. Many disability policies or plans require that you be unable to perform the material and substantial duties of your occupation and that you have the requisite loss of income or reduction in your earnings. So proving that you are disabled after the fact can be tough because you have to prove you couldn't do the material and substantial duties of your work, that you had the requisite loss, and of course that your physician supported that claim, because your physician after the fact is going to have to say that you really were unable to perform the material and substantial duties of your occupation because of your medical problems, and you have to prove that you lost the requisite wages. Now, it can be even more difficult to prove that you were totally disabled when you were terminated because you were working. If you suspect that you are going to be terminated or that your hours are going to be reduced or your employer's downsizing, you should consider applying for your disability benefits now. Obviously, you need support of your physician. If you think that you can reduce your wages and reduce your hours to at least 30 and have a physician support, that's generally better. But you may not have the time to do that. Look, your disability coverage is contingent upon your employment relationship. And once that employment relationship ends, your coverage ends. So it's easier to try to say, you know, I see it coming. I better get my doctor to take me out of work before this goes down, than after the fact trying to fix the problem. If you have any questions about your rights to ERISA disability benefits, particularly if you're facing termination or a downsizing, give me a call at 727-894-3188.